Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to hide photos and videos on your Google Pixel. This is a great way to keep your private content secure and away from prying eyes when someone's browsing through your gallery. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the Photos app on your Google Pixel. This will open up your entire photo library where all your images and videos are stored. Once you're inside the app, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Tap on Collections. This section organizes your media into different categories and gives you access to special folders, including the locked folder feature we'll be using today. Now browse through your photos and choose the one you want to hide. Once you've found it, tap on it to open it in full view. With the photo displayed on your screen, look at the bottom of the screen and tap Add To. This will bring up a menu showing different folders and albums where you can save your photo. From this menu, tap Locked Folder. This is a secure password-protected space on your device specifically designed to keep sensitive content private and out of your main gallery. A confirmation message will appear on your screen asking you to confirm this action. Go ahead and tap Move. This will transfer your photo from its current location directly into the locked folder, removing it from your regular gallery view. This means anyone scrolling through your photos won't be able to see it anymore. Now let's do the same thing for a video. Go back to your collections and locate the video you want to hide. Tap on it to open it. Once again, on the bottom of the screen, tap Add To, and then select Locked Folder from the options that appear. Just like before, a confirmation message will pop up. Tap Move to complete the action and secure your video in the locked space. Now that you've moved your private content, let's check where it's stored. Go back to your collections screen and scroll down until you see an option labeled Locked. Tap on it. At this point, you'll be prompted to input your password or use your biometric authentication to access this secure folder. This extra layer of security ensures that only you can view the hidden content. After entering your password, you'll be able to see both the hidden photo and video you just moved. They're now safely tucked away and completely invisible in your main photo library. And that's it. Your photos and videos are now hidden and secure on your Google Pixel. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.